this good? Oh, it tastes like chalk.
Yeah, she's right. It's like a giant Smartie. If you like Smarties, you like this.
That was really bad.
Nah, keep this in.
Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Little early morning wine delivery, apparently. I think this is wine. Well, it says it's from Denmeyer, which is my law firm that I work at. If you didn't know, I am a full-time attorney, and it's not wine, it's definitely a gift basket. It says there's supposed to be a personalized note. So for some reason, whoever packaged this box thought it was going to be a good idea to put the gift message right where the label is, right where the seam of the box is. Is that what you call it, the seam of the box? Right where it opens and the tape is, which I had to cut through. And this is the message. It's just like a happy holidays message. I don't know if they've ever given us any gift basket before for the holidays, so this is kind of random. I really feel like wine would have been better. Each other. You're joking.
No, and they're like, I'm sorry. I'm like, can you like not? I'm like, what's wrong? Like, can you resolve your conflict? And they're like, are we bothering your studying? And I'm like, yeah, like it's okay.
Hey guys, so it is almost dinner time. I basically just filmed, edited, and uploaded a video today, and I didn't do anything else. We didn't stop for lunch, but I'm gonna be cooking dinner right now. It's gonna be HelloFresh. And then after dinner, I'm gonna show all my Christmas decorations because apparently it's a thing on Vlogmas to show all of your Christmas decorations. And also, I just got groceries, so I guess I'll do a little grocery haul. I actually got this snack box in the mail today. It is from Munch. We're gonna try it out. Maybe we'll try that out today. Do like a little unboxing. Okay, so I got this bread. It's the Dave's Killer bread. I got some cinnamon. I've been liking cinnamon in my coffee lately. I also got this hamburger spice, and I also got this Tajin. This is my all-time favorite spice. I put it on everything. It tastes like lime. It's really good on fruit as well as just regular dinner. I got these onions. I don't know why they're so small, but I've been in the mood for grilled onions. I'm like craving grilled onions, so I want to make that this week. I got some fresh garlic. Over Thanksgiving, I forgot how good fresh garlic was, so I wanted to make some more garlic. I got some hot chocolate and marshmallows because I want to have a hot chocolate station. I got some lettuce and these nut pods, which are super good, and some ginger dressing, blueberries, cucumber, tomatoes, some veggies just in general, and some mint. And then I got some vegan burgers just because I've been in the mood for that, and some spinach. And there's a puppy dog who wants all of the food. Okay, so I have these 2 jars over here, and I wanted to just fill them with hot cocoa and marshmallows. Ooh, I hope this isn't gonna be too messy. Really cute. One of my husband's friends came to visit us. She's from Hawaii. She got us these Hawaiian nuts, so we'll have to eat those at some point. But I'm liking how that's looking. Okay, so I will just show you guys some of our other decorations. Basically, we just do the living room, and I have these garlands. And then this is your Christmas tree, which is also just plain green with white flocking, and then I put red ornaments on them. And it is a pre-lit tree. And I did just stick all of the presents under the tree. We don't even have a tree skirt. I was piling the presents over here by the fireplace because I thought the Roomba was going to run into the presents and maybe crinkle the wrapping paper, but it actually didn't do that, so I'm fine with leaving them under the tree. And then we just have this other garland over here and this wreath. I would love to hang that up, but I don't know how to hang up this wreath because where I would need to hang it up in the middle, kind of up there right here, the brick hanger clip that I have, it doesn't fit, and I don't know how I would be able to stick anything on that, so I kind of just set it there for now, and I'll just have to figure that out next year. Maybe somebody in my family will have a better idea. Also, one cool thing is I have an Alexa plug, so it works with your Echo devices, so that just means that Alexa can turn off the Christmas trees for me. Alexa, turn off the Christmas tree. Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree. And then we just have this one lone blanket. We can't really have too many throw pillows or anything really festive on the couches. I'm scared that my dog would just eat them. This one pillow, he has really chewed up the corners. I won't get too close because you'll be able to see it then. Just a few decorations on this little bar counter. These candles are from Costco. It's a set of 3 and they're not festive or Christmassy, but I thought they went with the theme. There's one silver, gold, rose gold. We have these 2 gingerbread houses. At some point I'll have to make those or put them together. And in the kitchen, the only decoration we have is this gingerbread spoon rest, but I love it. It's so cute. I hope I don't ruin it. I already chipped it this year. And just past the kitchen, this is the buffet table, and I just have some white Christmas decorations. And then this is our box of wrapping paper, which is still out because we still have stuff to wrap. But yeah, that's pretty much it for our Christmas decor. If you watch my Thanksgiving vlog, you'll see the outside planters and the wreath, which are really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing of Munch Pack Family Pack. You can get it at munchpack.com. My husband has a knife. Dangerous. Okay, you're doing a good job with this unboxing. So this gives you snacks from all around the world. So we've got some Pipers. I don't know where these are from. Why doesn't it say what countries it's from? Oh, it does. Okay, so this is where it has all the snacks. Okay, it says pea crackers. Ooh, this is a really pretty pink package. Look how big the bags are too. Oh, Zahn definitely wants some. You want some, Zahn? You want some? Okay, he can't really actually have any. That was mean of me. Okay, Tom, give a comment.
That was mean of you.
Hey now.
They smell
Are these
funny.
good?
I thought they were gonna be pink and sparkly. Oh, that's the salts.
Swedish fish, fruit jellies.
It's like some kind of Twix bar thing. A bear, a Frosty. Hawaiian Crunch jelly things.
This looks American.
Oh.
Maybe, I guess America's part of the world. Tiramisu Kit Kats. Or no, these aren't Kit Kats. These are just wafers.
It's like some kind of pastry thing with cream.
Okay, we definitely cannot do a taste test on all of this stuff.
Pocky.
It's gonna take forever. There's so much stuff in here.
More Pocky.
Oh, there's more. He's still pulling stuff out.
Oh, okay. This is gonna take a while to taste test things. This might be dinner. Oh, we got a bar made out of llamas.
A llama bar? I feel like this would be a great Christmas present. This is how big the box is that it came in. That's pretty big. The only thing we've opened so far are the lemon and pink salt flavor. This is from South Korea. It's fresh and natural lemon aroma combined with pink rose salt and a classic spiral shape. This is what they look like. The bag is so big. The stuff they give you is so... Wow, this is a lot of stuff. This is like snacks for the month. Don't you think? I don't know how people taste test this. We're supposed to do a taste test. I don't know how we could do a taste test right now on all this stuff. This would be more than dinner. This is like lunch and dinner. Puppy really wants some. It's just a shot of everything in the box. Pretty good. That's a pretty good amount of stuff. So we're doing a second taste test.
It's flaky.
Oh, it's flaky. Is it hard or soft? It looks crunchy. Ah, some fell. Oh, for me? I thought you were trying to get a close-up.
You probably shouldn't be doing this before dinner.
Yeah, we're supposed to be cooking dinner right now, but definitely check this out, especially if you know someone who likes to travel and maybe they can't right now because of COVID. Get them the snack box and then they can go to all of these countries. Look at how badly Puppy wants this. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's not for you. He might be snacking on all this stuff during dinner. But this box looks really cool. But we're gonna move on from all of these snacks and then we're gonna cook dinner. So this is what I am making tonight. It is called crispy Parmesan chicken. This is a really easy recipe. I've had it before. I think this one just involves one baking sheet and one pan. Okay, yeah, all my conferences are online too. Tom's the only one I know who's going to anything. Yeah.
Hands-on cameras and all this stuff. Other than that, we spread over 3-4 days. People go for a program, work at the same time, and conference at the same time.
Yeah.
Because actually we focus on language. Universal graduate.
I think the universe might want a check or a bank transfer. I don't know if it will just be given. I think some work is going to be needed.
One making it tomorrow, something like that, you know.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be boiling this in some water. I guess I just have to boil the water and then add this in.
This timer is done.
And I put that right back into this pot. I'm going to add the garlic and scallion whites. They also say to add some butter. Adding in some butter. Alexa, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
And that's pretty much it for this one. Alexa, stop all timers. And here is the chicken and carrots. These are after dinner taste testing now. We're gonna
Legs.
bend down.
No, we're not. We're going to make this thing go taller.
Is that even?
It's ish.
Go like this. I do that. Pause for a thumbnail. It's a really weird angle. Look at the circle, not the screen. And I'll count to 3. 1. No, just count to 3 in your head. Sorry.
Alright, so what do you got?
Here is all the snacks we still have to try.
There's a bear. It's a bear.
I am opening these. Is this good? Oh, it tastes like chalk.
Yeah, she's right. It's like a giant Smartie. If you like Smarties, you like this. It's compressed sugar.
I'm gonna edit this out. It's really bad.
Nah. Keep this in.
I spit it on camera.
Not spit it on camera. But I agree, it's not the best.
Oh my gosh, if you had warned me, Tom. Even though it wasn't good, it was still fun to try that.
I ate it.
Okay.
Chocolate! Can't go with chocolate. Okay, you got a little chocolate here.
This is from Bulgaria. This is a delicious double stacked wafer delight that has sweet, smooth cream and chocolate crispy wafers. It's a good dessert.
I like this one.
That's a good one. Now we're gonna try these. Well, I cannot find this in here.
Right there.
Well, I didn't see that because it's black and white. But why is like the wrapper sticky?
Well, I mean,
If anybody from Slovenia is watching this, why do you guys have sticky candy wrappers?
there's like squishy jelly.
Okay, these are from the Philippines.
It might be hard.
These are chickpeas. These are roasted chickpeas. These are gonna be my favorite because of that. Oh no, it's not chickpeas. These are corn nuts.
Are these still your favorite?
Yeah.
Where?
They kind of taste in between like a Frito and a roasted chickpea.
Yeah, I'd say that's fair.
Okay, now we're gonna try this chocolate looking snack.
Marzipan.
These are from Mexico, and I guess these are supposed to taste like a Reese's cup. You don't like Reese's cups, do you?
It's like the compressed peanut powder.
Oh, I already know I'm not gonna like this.
It's not like a creamy peanut butter. It's like there's like a dusty peanut butter.
This isn't gonna do it for me. I'm really not doing well. I'm really not doing well in this snack taste.
Send me more snacks and I'll review them for you.
How are you doing better than me?
I like candy.
But he likes ice cream more. There was an ice cream company who wanted to send me some ice creams, but I don't know what happened. I forgot to answer their email, and he was mad at me for a whole week.
I know. It's the one thing I really would eat and review with great enthusiasm. It was a very sad day.
They include some Hawaiian punch gummies. These are big. I've not seen ones these big before. But I think that's gonna be our last candy for tonight. And my battery is flashing and it's gonna die, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
This is our last snack to try. It is butter.
He was giving me a really dirty look as I was cutting it like this.
Who does that?
I have no excuse for myself, honestly. Never mind. I will have all the information to HelloFresh as well as the snack box down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.